Ciao Tesla people, I'm in Scanno and parked down there, and it's a beautiful autumn day. I think it's started to rain, unfortunately, but I wanted to do a short road trip today. I got stopped by police. That was fun, and they asked me only for ID. No, actually, no, the driver license, but no insurance and the car document, all that stuff. They're just checking out who's going around. I guess there are so many few people that they have to do something. Anyway, now I'm going to eat some pastry, local pastry, and I'll see you in a bit. So, the lake of Scanno, here is the lake, and if you see, it's missing like 5 or 6 meters of water, so the water would come up to the line, the white stones, all the way, and you see it down there. Actually, they're fixing the sides of the lake, but there it was full of trees and they cut it down. I'm not sure why. That's crazy. And the leaves are changing colors, so they're going to be a nice foliage. Will come back. Up there is Frattura, which you see all the lake from above, and this is the lake that has a heart shape. So up there is a viewpoint that you can see the lake, and looks like a heart. Pretty cool. Unfortunately, a lot of water is missing. There are some birds and stuff, some houses. Okay, it's pretty nice, very cool. So now I'm going back home. I'll see you in a bit. So I just got back home. It was a nice ride. Unfortunately, it started to rain here, and so I had to come away, since up there it was raining stronger. Anyway, it was a great ride, great foliage. Maybe in the coming days I'll do a better road trip towards Pesco Costanzo. There is a big woodland, so it's going to be nice. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you next video. Ciao, Teso people.